Hi, today we're in church and this building has not traditional internet, no fiber, no cable. We installed Starlink solution for commercial and industrial buildings where internet providers cannot deliver the internet service. For us, internet is never final goal. This is foundation for security systems, for access controls and video surveillance. Today I'll show you how Sense Group built this foundation from the box to stable professional internet inside the building. This is Starlink standard kit, and let's open the box and see what's inside. Here is the dish. We'll install this dish on the roof for connection. And here, main router and cable. This cable connects the router and the dish on the roof. And here is the power supply. Like I said, this is Starlink standard kit, but we also work with high performance and commercial equipment for Starlink. It's dependent on building and task from our customers. Now we're on the roof. Before installing the dish, Sense Group always checking for obstruction. Even if the sky looks clear, we confirm it with the app. The app scans the sky and shows anything that could block the signal: trees, roof edges, nearby buildings. Here the sky is open. This is the correct location for the dish. Now we install the mount, we secure it to the roof and properly seal every penetration. This is standard practice at Sense Group, no shortcuts, no future problems. Now we place the dish on the mount. The dish is fixed mechanically. Alignment comes next. We bring the cable inside to the network area. Now we connect the Starlink router and power it on. Once it's online, we return to the app. This dish doesn't move automatically, alignment is done manually. The app shows exact direction and angle. We make small adjustments and monitor the signal. When alignment is correct, the connection becomes stable. This step is critical for long-term reliability, especially on commercial and strategic sites. At this point, the internet is working, but for buildings like this, Sense Group does not stop here. A church, warehouse, or industrial facility cannot rely on basic Wi-Fi from one router. This building needs stable coverage, wire connection, a network that supports cameras, access control, and security systems. That's why Sense Group uses Starlink only as the internet source, and then builds the network specifically for the building. Now we enable bypass mode on the Starlink router. This turns off its Wi-Fi. Starlink now acts only as the internet input. This allows Sense Group to fully control the internal network, which is required for security infrastructure. Internet goes from Starlink to the main router. This is the Dream router. This router controls the entire site. Here we have an 8-port PoE switch. One cable delivers both power and data to each device. This is how Sense Group builds scalable networks for commercial and industrial environments. Now we run the network cabling from the switch to each access point. Cables are routed cleanly and hidden. On public and strategic buildings, this is not cosmetic, this is operational discipline. Now we open the network app. Here you can see that full topology: router, switch, access points. Everything is visible, everything is managed. This is the level of control Sense Group delivers on every project. Now we run a speed test. This is the real performance from this location. Stable connection, consistent speed. Now this building is fully online, and that unlocks real capability. With stable internet, Sense Group can deploy video surveillance, access control system, alarm system, and remote control. Even in location when it was impossible before, now we can do this. If you manage commercial or industrial site and were told that internet is not possible, this video shows how Sense Group solves that problem. We don't just install internet, we build secure, connected facilities. Thank you for watching us and follow us.